Oh, we're still good. Well, we're on. Despite falling, I trapped my foot in the pit here. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay. Now we're good. Well, day after. I don't know how much snow actually fell. It's a good gauge in the airway down there. Let's say 8 to 10 inches. I don't know. Well, I don't know. That's even a better gauge. I don't know. You can see the sun coming out. Barely. Down that way, the sky's breaking up. Tomorrow's supposed to be in the 40s. Hell, this will probably all melt by Monday. Gotta thank my brother Brian. Despite his complaints and grievances, he managed to get this sidewalk clean in record time too. So, congratulations to you, Brian. That's about it. Other parts of the city were hit harder because people were too stupid to not drive on the highway, so their cars are buried in the snow. I guess that's it for now. Do it a little more later. Going back inside because my hand is frozen now because I picked my phone up out of the snow. So, till later, everyone.